record on this computer. Now, if I record on this computer, the first thing you guys are supposed to know is that this is the chapter number 7, Radiance we are doing. I think I already did it once with the previous students. With new students, this is the first time. Now, what is the meaning of this radian concept? Okay, already did a bit of it in physics unit 2. Okay, but radian is a measuring unit we use for degree for our angles. Now, angles are measured in degree or it is measured in radian. Now, sometimes we write it very weirdly. Sometimes they do it, sometimes they don't. But this is how we write it. Your degree, we know degree has a symbol. Let's say if I have a dot on top, we know it's a degree. Or if it is a 50 and we have a dot on top, we know it's 50 degree, right? But for radian, we give it in terms of pi, either 2 pi, 3 pi, or 1 by 1.5 pi. Or we can just write, let's say 50 radian. I want to know, let's say 5 radian. So upore ekta small crescenter moton ekta small c diye dibo. This also means radian. So radian can be written like this and degree is written like this. You guys know that very well. So everybody is clear with this radian and degree concept. The radian and degree both are the unit of our angle. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Another point you're
Yes.
supposed to know is pi radian means 180 degree, and 2 pi radian means 360 degree. Clear? Pi radian means 180 degree, 2 pi radian means 360 degree. Everybody clear with that? And if you want to do any conversion, you will learn your conversion from here itself. How? That I'm going to teach you. Like for example, they wrote convert the following, like example number 1. They said convert the following angles into degrees. That is 7 pi by 8 radian, rad. Okay, 7 pi by 8, right? So 7 pi by 8. So this is how I do it. Okay, if pi is equal to 180, then 7 pi by 8 is equal to how much? Pi er niche pi, eta niche eta. Either you can do it this manner or there is another way to do it as well. Let me show it to you how. They wrote 7 pi by 8, na? What is pi? 180, right? So can't you write it like this? 7 into 180 divided by 8. Clear? There are two ways. Either you can do cross multiplication, the way I showed here, or just in terms of pi, because we know it is 180. আমার পায়ের জায়গায় 180 কি সাবস্টিটিউট করে দিলে আমারটা পাই থেকে ডিগ্রিতে কনভার্ট হয়ে যাবে। It will get converted from pi to degree. সবাই কি ক্লিয়ার? Online? You guys understood how to convert radian to degree? Clear,
Yeah.
everyone? Okay, so let's go to the next one. They said 4 pi by 15. You guys do this on your own. 4 pi by 15. I'll pause the recording. Okay, so second one is pretty easy to do. Example number 2. This is very easy. All you have to do is like this. Again, if pi is equal to 180 degree, so 150 degree is equal to how much? Cross multiply 150 pi by 180. Just do this in your calculator. You will get your answer in terms of radian. Okay, and I think the B part is also pretty much easy for you guys to do, so I'm not even repeating it. Okay, so you understood, right? 150 is equal to how much if pi is 180. Same thing here. If pi is 180 degree, therefore 110 degree is equal to how much? I hope this part is clear for everyone. Okay, so let's go to the next one. What they said, see, they gave some radian in terms of C over here. Usually they don't give it. I haven't seen them asking in question paper yet, but still they give that small c over there. That means it's radian. Now I'll be teaching you regarding circle now. Circle and sector. Okay, of a sector. What is a sector? So let me teach you guys regarding sector. Okay, so all of you know that this is a circle. Okay, now the circle can be divided like a pizza shape, and this particular shape we call it sector. Okay, in O level we used a different formula. Here we are going to use a different formula. So This is the radius r, this is the radius r, then this is the theta t. Okay, these are radius and this is known as arc. This is known as arc length. Let's say A and B, for example, or you can call it arc length L also, right? If you want to find the arc length L, if you want to find arc length L or AB, basically, it means it has a formula r theta, but this theta has to be in radian. When we were in O level, we learned this formula. If I remember, it was x by 360 into 2 pi r, and your x was in degree those days. Remember? You guys remember O levels and A levels? In O level, this is what we learned. In A level, this is what we are learning. But length of the arc is r theta, but your theta is in radian. Is that clear?
Yup.
Yeah.
Okay, then let's continue with the next concept over here. Okay, so this is done. You know what? I can teach you 3 things from here itself. So this is the formula number 1. Next formula is how to find the perimeter. Next formula is how to find the perimeter. Perimeter, you know, is boundaries, na? So if I change the color, so this is my perimeter number 1, R, and this is my perimeter number 2 over here. Okay, money boundary number 1, boundary number 2. So can I write 2R over here? 2R plus then this arc. If they say find the perimeter of your sector, only sector and nothing else. Okay, so if they tell you to find the perimeter of the sector, the formula is 2R plus the arc length L. And what is L formula? We learned just before, r theta. If you want, you can take r common. It is going to be 2 plus theta. Clear, everyone? Perimeter for sector. Then third formula we should learn over here is area. Area of the sector is half r square theta. Area of the sixth sector formula is half. If you want to find the area of the whole thing, this, it means half r square theta is your answer. And remember, all this theta has to be in radian. These are the 3 formulas from this sector we can derive. Clear, guys? Clear?
Yes.
Okay, then let's continue with the next one. Example 3. I think example 3, let's do. They said find the length of an arc of a circle, radius 5.2 centimeters. So they gave us the radius, and given that the angle is 0.8 rad. Very easy. Question example 3, I'm not even doing. Very easy. Let's do the next one. An arc of AB of a circle with radius 7 centimeters. Radius is given, and center O has a length of, okay, and a center O. 2.45 centimeter as the AB. Find the angle AOB subtended by the arc at the center of the circle. Okay, so let's draw it first of all. Never do a sum without diagram. So you have this thing, circle over here. Let us draw a sector over there. This and this. So what's happening over here? This is your R. This is your R. How much is your R, by the way? 7 centimeters. So let this be 7. Theta, how much? We don't know. Okay, how much is the arc length? 2.45. So we know arc length, which is 2.45, is equal to r theta, radius. Radius is 7. Theta is theta is theta. We don't know how much is theta, by the way. Okay, so do 2.45 divided by 7. 0.35 radian is your answer. Pretty easy. Now, okay, can you guys try example 5 on your own? I think I already did it. Perimeter of the sector, express r in terms of p and theta. Just try to revise example 5 on your own, please. Okay, so you guys are done with this. Still here, so we learned, na? All they did was make r the subject of the formula. That's what they did, because they want your answer in terms of r. That is the reason. Now let's talk about example 6. Okay, This is very important that I do this separately with you all. Wait, let me do it separately with you all. Chalo. Yeah. The border of the garden pond consists of a straight edge AB. So this is your straight edge AB of length 2.4 meter. Okay. And a curved part C. Very good. As shown in the diagram. Fine. The curved part of an arc of a circle center O and the radius 2 meter. Find the length of C. They want the arc of the whole thing. This part. Okay. But for that I need to know the radius. For that I need to know this angle. Okay, now the problem is I need to know the angle, because without angle I cannot use the formula r theta. Length of the arc is equal to r theta. Okay, so we have a triangle. Okay, this is 2 meter, this is 2 meter, and this is 2.4 meter. If we want, we can make in midpoint like this, we can make, and it became a two triangles over here. 2.4 er आधा होच्छे 1.2. Okay, I want the angle over here, but you have to, everyone should keep your calculator in radian. Okay, so you have opposite. So opposite upon hypotenuse. Sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay, so theta is equal to sine inverse of 1.2 by 2. সবাই clear কিনা বলো?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, how much is the answer? But keep your calculator in radian, please. Can you keep it in radian, please, and just find it for me? How much is it? Sine inverse of 1.2 by 2?
0.644.
0.644. Is it clear? Okay, now if this is 0.644, you need to multiply it by 2, right? To find the whole thing. 0.644 into 2 koto, multiply by 2 koto. 0.644 multiply by 2 koto.
1.66.
1.66. So total theta is, okay, what is it? AOB. Angle AOB is 1 point, how much?
It is 1.288.
1.288. Fine. 1.288 ki radian. Now, we don't want this theta. We want the whole thing. How much is the full circle, by the way? 2 pi. So, angle AOB, na? Okay, again, I'm finding angle AOB, but the bigger one, okay? What is it going to be? It's going to be 2 pi minus 1.288. How much is it you guys are getting? 2 pi minus 1.288. Hello. 2 pi minus 1.288.
4.996.
4.996. Okay, radian. So we know the radian, we know the radius. So length of the arc. So arc length hobe, the whole angle, that is r theta, 4.996 into r, that is 2. How much is this? 9 or 10, something like that. Check and let me know. Hello.
9.992.
So that's around 10, no? Let's see the mark scheme, what they wrote. Sorry, the question over here. 9.99. Correct. Around 10 meter. Clear? Example 6, everyone. Now, since
Yeah.
example 6 is clear, can you guys do question number 4 for me? I'll pause the recording. Okay. So yeah, you guys got the answer. You guys were able to do it by yourself without needing my help. Let's go to the next concept right now. They said the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, why don't you guys try question number 5 also, please, on your own right now. Resume recording. Chalo. So now what's happening here? Let's talk about this now. They want the perimeter of the shaded region, and this is 0.8. Now, we know this is 2. We know this is 2. But we don't know what are the arcs over here. So, I mean, arc janina. So I have to find this arc and I have to find this. There are 2 arcs here. One is a big arc, one is a small arc. Okay, so let's find big arc over here. Okay, to find big arc, it should be L is equal to R theta. R koto? R hoche tumar 5 centimeter because big radius is 5 centimeter. Into theta hoche 0.8. What is 5 into 0.8? This A part I'm doing. Okay. What is 5 into 0.8 in your calculator, please? Bolo.
4.
4. Okay, 5 into 0.8 is 4. So 4 centimeter is my this. This is 4 centimeter. Let's find the small arc. So what is going to be small arc? Small arc is also going to be 0.8 into what? 3. 0.8 into 3 because small radius is 3. How much is 0.8 into 3? Tell me.
2.4.
2.4. So you have to now start adding all of this. So perimeter of the shaded region is 2 plus 2 because why? Red color. 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2.4. Add all of them. Check what is the answer you guys are getting. Let me know what is the answer you guys are getting. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2, 2.4 is 10.4. Let's see whether it is 10.4. It is 10.4. Correct answer. Let's go to the next one now. Now let's go to the B part. This is going to be the next last sum for today. Okay. Anyway, I already gave you guys the homework. So yeah. So next question, what they said. Value of theta when the perimeter of the shaded region is 14. Okay. So value of the theta when perimeter of the shaded region is 14. Okay, whatever. So what is the perimeter formula? Perimeter formula is 2 plus 2 plus big arc hobe. Is the theta is there? Theta we don't know. Okay, can we write theta into 5? Because 5 theta plus 3 theta is equal to 14. All of you understood the formula? What I did over here? See, 2 plus 2 plus this. This is 3 theta because r theta. This is 5 theta. So 3 theta plus 5 theta. What is it? 4 minus 14. Koto? 10. Arigane koto? 8 theta. 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 theta is equal to 10. So 10 is equal, theta is equal to 10 by 8. Check whether that is the answer or not. Yes, it is 1.25 radian. Is this clear for everyone? Till here, everybody is clear with this concept? So tomorrow, I will do more questions with you all. Okay, I will do more questions with you all. I think by tomorrow, this chapter will be, at least teaching part is going to be over. Okay, so part 2 I will do later on. Already I gave you guys homework. Watch tan theta, those for graphs, practice video and come from me. I will show you where it is. Okay, everyone understood?
Okay.
Okay then. Tada everyone.